I'm looking at the Braun ExactFit upper blood pressure monitor. This is a one-touch operation. It takes batteries and LED display. Anyway, I'm going to unpack it, have a look what's inside, and then set it up and I'll give it a try out. That's the arm part. Got the instruction manual here, which I shall have a good read through. It's multilingual. English is at the front. This is the main part. And that's it. So let's unpack this. Where the arm bit goes in. As I say, I shall have a good read through the instructions. It takes 4 AA batteries. This is the arm part. There's batteries with it. It's 4 AA's. Right, I shall set it up and then I shall give it a try out. I've now had a good read through the manual and I've put the batteries into it. It's fairly simple, so I shall give it a try out. Now I've got to be sitting upright with this level with me and not tilt while I'm doing it, so I shall take it up onto the desk and give it a try out. This goes on, I've tried this on, it's fairly simple. You can put it on one-handed. Goes on fairly simple, one-handed, and I should give it a try out and then I'll come back with my review.